A large number of the valley networks scarring Mars' surface were carved by water melting beneath glacial ice, not by free-flowing rivers as previously thought, according to new UBC research published today in Nature Geoscience. The findings effectively throw cold water on the dominant warm and wet ancient Mars hypothesis, which postulates that rivers, rainfall and oceans once existed on the red planet. To reach this conclusion, lead author Anna Grau Galofre, former PhD student in the Department of Earth, Ocean and Atmospheric Sciences, developed and used new techniques to examine thousands of Martian valleys. She and her co-authors also compared the Martian valleys to the subglacial channels in the Canadian Arctic Archipelago and uncovered striking similarities. For the last 40 years, since Mars valleys were first discovered, the assumption was that rivers once flowed on Mars, eroding and originating all of these valleys, says Grau Galofre. But there are hundreds of valleys on Mars, and they look very different from each other. If you look at Earth from a satellite, you see a lot of valleys, some of them made by rivers, some made by glaciers, some made by other processes, and each type has a distinctive shape. Mars is similar, in that valleys look very different from each other, suggesting that many processes were at play to carve them. The similarity between many Martian valleys and the subglacial channels on Devon Island in the Canadian Arctic motivated the authors to conduct their comparative study. Devon Island is one of the best analogues we have for Mars here on Earth. It is a cold, dry, polar desert, and the glaciation is largely cold-based, says co-author Gordon Osinski, professor in Western University's Department of Earth Sciences and Institute for Earth and Space Exploration. In total, the researchers analyzed more than 10,000 Martian valleys, using a novel algorithm to infer their underlying erosion processes. These results are the first evidence for extensive subglacial erosion driven by channelized meltwater drainage beneath an ancient ice sheet on Mars, says co-author Mark Jelinek, professor in UBC's Department of Earth, Ocean and Atmospheric Sciences. The findings demonstrate that only a fraction of valley networks match patterns typical of surface water erosion, which is in marked contrast to the conventional view. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science updates. Thank you.